My dear children, today we are going to read lesson number 3. But before that, I want all of you to be ready with your pencils. Let's start. Let's read the lesson. Lesson number 3. What are they doing? Now, look at these pictures. Look at the first picture. There is a boy and he has a book. He is reading a book. Look at the second picture. The girl is washing her face. Now look at this picture. There is a girl. She is licking an ice cream. Look at this picture. There is a boy. He is brushing the teeth. Now look at this picture. There is a girl. She is playing with her balloon. Now what is written here? What is Jeet doing? So look at this picture. There is a boy. His name is Jeet. So what is Jeet doing? Yes, Jeet is watering the plant. He is watering the plant. So which are the missing letter? T-E-R. Let's write those words. He is watering the plant. Jeet is watering the plant. Now let us read all the action words that have been given on this page. Come on, repeat after me. Reading, reading, washing, washing, licking, licking, brushing, brushing, playing, playing, watering, watering. This lesson is all about the doing words, that is verbs. Let's read the lesson. Now look at this picture. Look at this boy. He is reading a book. Look at this girl. She is drawing. Today is Sunday. Raja and Neha are at home. Raja is reading a book. Neha is coloring. She is coloring a picture of the sun. Now look at this picture. There is a girl and she has a kitten. Let's read about them. Mary is brushing. She is not brushing her teeth. She is not brushing her hair. She is brushing Timmy. Now look at this picture. There is a boy and there is a dog also. Let's read about them. Jeet is watering the plants. He likes plants. Jojo, his dog, likes plants too. He is helping Jeet. Now look at this picture. There is a girl and she is crying because she has dropped her ice cream on the floor. And look, there is a cat. She is licking the ice cream. Meena is crying. Her ice cream is on the floor. The ice cream stick is in her hand. Kitty is licking the ice cream. Now look at this picture. There is a girl and she is looking very happy. She is playing with balloons. Salma is playing with balloons. There are big balloons. There are small balloons. Some balloons are red. Some are yellow. Look at this picture. There are 4 children and they all are playing hide and seek. Mihir is hiding behind a chair. Rani is hiding under the table. Tom is hiding under the quilt. Mala is looking for them. Look at this picture. There is a boy. Yes, he is safe. Safe is hiding behind the curtains and they are having fun. Where is Safe? Can you see him? I can see you, Safe, shouts Mala. It is fun playing together. So children, did you like this lesson? I hope you all will like this lesson. Now, children, we are going to underline all the action words, all the doing words from this lesson. Underline the word reading. Underline the word coloring. Underline the word brushing. Underline the word watering. Underline the word helping. Underline the word crying, licking, playing. Underline the word hiding, looking. So I want all of you to write down all these verbs in your notebook in very good handwriting. Now let's solve the exercises under the lesson.